goofball. Hi, we're Carrie and Diane, and we are Sailing Pacific Wonder. Join us as we sail the icy waters of the Pacific Northwest from Washington to Alaska. Experience amazing wildlife, incredible fishing, and the best scenery nature has to offer. In this episode, we cap off Mayfest in Petersburg, letting it all hang out at a Ray Troll concert. Ray is an Alaskan legend. Next, we meet up with friends AJ and Maria with their sloop Valenta and explore Fredrick Sound. Heavy breathing.
This one's dangerous. It's dark, like the water.
Heavy breathing. Ideal Cove is ideal. Carrie tests the new Yamaha. Then we're off to Kuiu Island and across Chatham Strait to Red Bluff Bay. Some wing on wing, and we're in Honeydew Cove.
This was a full day run from Petersburg. AJ and Maria on Valenta are here with us. And out beyond the reef there is Chatham Sound. This cove is dotted with caves.
visits Honeydew without the famous pose under the rock arch. A visit from the Welcome Bear and a sweet downwind run to Baranof Island. Red Bluff Bay. Anchoring is never complete without the infamous butt shot. Carrie, can we just skip showing this part? Oh well, with scenery like this, who cares? While at Kuiu Island, Carrie caught a mess of rockfish. So, lunch aboard Pacific Wonder, Carrie's fish and chips, and AJ's salad. Yum! And for entertainment, a grizzly in the meadow, with the video cam battery on the charger. Of course. By the way, did we mention the waterfall on the way in? Let's check it out.
Oh, you can feel the water too. That is magnificent. That's water right from a glacier.
Yeah.
A mini glacier. Woo! Like mist city.
Yeah. Okay.
The next morning we depart with a light breeze, but not for long. As we head back to Petersburg, Chatham Strait lives up to its reputation.
My flats didn't do good in the night.
You got a nice breeze.
Yeah.
And as the sun sets on this adventure, we ask that you join us again in our next episode at the foot of the LeConte Glacier, where we witness the thunder of ice. Don't forget to subscribe.